And I don't ever have to go far.
Hello guys, what is up and welcome back or to my channel. If you're new, subscribe down below, follow my Instagram so you don't miss any update. Today is going to be a little vlog. It is the first day of 2021, so we are trying to be productive. Okay, hello guys. So I have no idea what time it is, but we're starting the day getting outside because I don't get outside enough. I'm going to show you my outfit. Okay, so for my outfit, I have this sweatshirt, which is Surfaces merch, and these sweatpants that are Champion. Okay, let's make my bed.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the...
Okay, hey guys, so right now it is currently 12:24 and I'm going to get ready to take a shower because I just feel gross and I feel like I can't be really productive in a day if I feel gross and greasy.
Find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
I just randomly decided I'm going to cut my hair short. And so my mom's going to cut it for me. Getting like here. I don't know. Cutting my hair makes me so nervous. Okay, I just cried about this for a while. I'm going to be honest. Here's my hair. Fine, I guess. First of all, it's really uneven. So hopefully I'll fix that like tomorrow. I don't know. I probably just shouldn't have messed with it today. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna lay down and relax for a little bit, so I'll just see you guys when I'm done with that. Okay, so it is 2:12 and I think I'm gonna go grab a snack because I'm actually kind of hungry, so storm is starting and I'm making hot cocoa. Okay, I came outside because we're actually supposed to get a really big storm today. Okay, it is snowing so hard and it's really pretty. Maybe I'll go down to the lake. Snowstorm montage, 1, 2, 3. I'm doing a little bit better. I'm in a better mood. I like my hair better. That's a good update. It is currently 3:03 and it is blizzard snowing. We were expecting a storm, but I actually didn't even know it was supposed to storm today, so yeah, I think I'm gonna play Mario Kart. I'm really in the mood for that, so put a little fire, so I'll show you guys that. I just wanted to update you guys. And okay, hello guys. I don't really know what's going on. I was gonna play Mario Kart, but then my sister was using the TV downstairs, and I also might have out last night, and I might have my leftovers, or we have leftover. You know what? I'm gonna have this lasagna. Also, I don't know why I packaged it like this. Pizza. I want pizza. So good. What? Just kidding. This is gross. It is almost 5 and I just made a smoothie and now I'm gonna play Mario Kart with my family finally. So Coconut Mall is my favorite. I like forgot what I was doing. Like, oh god. Okay, hello guys. It's currently exactly 6 o'clock. I just ate some pasta with some red sauce for dinner. I think I'm gonna play some more Mario Kart with my dad. I'm just kind of waiting for him to finish dinner. So I think I'm gonna edit a little bit and just wait for that. So I want to do some like self-care tonight, and I also have to like kind of start getting my things ready for school, and school starts in 2 days, which is literally so sad. Okay, hey guys, so I played the Wii for a while. I actually don't know what time it is. It is 8:36. I think I'm gonna do a face mask because I don't know, I just feel like doing one. I have the LEDs on now. So these are the 2 face masks I found. Color Up and Glow mask, and then this is the Cocoa Shea Cucumber mask. I think I'm gonna use this one today just because it's really easy. Okay, so I just put the face mask on and set my timer for 10 minutes. So I will just, oh, I totally have a, that is so weird. Also, it's like a clear mask, so yeah. I'll check in with you guys in 10 minutes when this is done. Okay, the background might be a little messy, so sorry if it is, but I just grabbed my backpack because I've not been in person in like 2 or 3 months. I'm in person in 2 days, and I would love to get set up early so I don't have to stress about it the day before school. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I just have so many piles. Like during online school, this is all I use, is this one folder. This whole break, my mood has really been, we'll just worry about it when it happens. Well, it's happening now. Ready? Comment down below if you're online or in person and how you're feeling about school right now, please. I would love to chat about that. Basically, I just have some random floating papers, this random folder, and I don't know what is in this folder. Oh, this is oh my, oh. Okay, so it's definitely not perfect, but it's better than it was. Okay, so now I'm going to journal. I do this every night. Sometimes I do it before bed, sometimes I do it like hours before, so I just have some free time, so I'm just gonna do it right now. I'm gonna go upstairs. I think I'm gonna make some tea. So it is currently 10. I just brushed my teeth, got ready to, you know, go to bed and stuff. So I'm going to be ending this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any videos you'd like to see from me in 2021, leave them down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.